Okay, so I just wanted to show you how Binance works because it's a little bit more complex to use than Coinbase. But once you've tried it a few times, it gets a lot easier. You'll find a link to sign up to Binance underneath this video. And the other thing to note here is that on Coinbase, you've got a very limited selection of cryptocurrencies, which means you can't diversify your portfolio enough compared to Binance, which hosts hundreds. And that's exactly why you should use Binance if you want to trade other altcoins on the market. So first of all, make sure you register. It's pretty easy to do, and if you're struggling, I've included a step-by-step guide below. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and log in. And enter your two-factor authentication code. Remember that when you register, two-factor authentication is really important because it adds another layer of security to your account. And once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. And we're just going to head on over to the funds and deposits section here, where you'll transfer your crypto from Coinbase into your Binance account. Now, it's important to note that you can't use offline currencies on Binance. It's purely for crypto, which is why you have to transfer from Coinbase first before you start trading. So all you do is you look for the coin you want to deposit from Coinbase in the drop-down list. I'd actually recommend Ethereum because it's relatively cheap and fast to transfer. Plus, you can directly trade Ethereum into other altcoins. For this video, I'm actually going to use Litecoin because I already have some in my Coinbase account. And all you do is go to Coinbase, Accounts, scroll down to the coin you want to transfer. And from there, click Send, paste in the address you got from Binance, type in the amount you want to send, and click Continue. Now, just before you confirm the transaction, double check that you definitely have the right wallet address. If you don't have the right address or you send your money to the wrong wallet, let's say Bitcoin, for example, then you can lose your transfer. So it's really important to double check this. Also, it might take about 20 minutes for your crypto to transfer to Binance, but that's pretty standard. So now I'm going to show you how to use Binance to trade altcoins. All you do is click on the exchange, click on Basic, and from here you'll see live market prices, charts, and a list of all the coins you can trade. On the right hand side of the screen, select a tab from BTC, ETH, BNB, or USDT. These are the coins you can trade on Binance, and then you can choose your desired currency from the list. So let's say we want to trade EVX. Now, to place a buy order, use this box. You can manually enter a price you wish to purchase at, but a better way to do it is to click on a number on the left-hand column. You can then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. It will give you a total, and then you can just click buy. And that's pretty much it for buying cryptocurrency on Binance. Now, if you wish to cash out your holdings on Binance, you'd go to withdrawals here. You'd find the coin you wish to withdraw. Paste in the wallet address from Coinbase here. And if you want to get your address from Coinbase, what you do is click Receive. And here you'd get the address. Again, make sure you have the specific wallet address for the coin you want to send. Now you just copy and paste that address back into Binance, enter the amount you want to send, and click Submit. And that's pretty much it for the Binance exchange. What we're going to run through next is some of the trading strategies you can use for investing in cryptocurrency, plus how to research strong coins to invest in. Talk about 8 easy ways to pick which cryptocurrency to invest in. Now, there are some easy ways to pick a winning cryptocurrency, but you just have to do a little bit of research first. So I'm going to teach you the steps to do that without worrying about all the technical stuff. Now, because there's so many beginners in the crypto world, most people don't really understand the foundations of investing. They just hear a coin is good, buy it, and cross their fingers, hoping it'll moon sometime. But make no mistake, that's a bad way to do it. You don't want to be this guy. So here's some better ways to choose which cryptocurrency to invest in. So a big part of a cryptocurrency's success is its following. You should look out for cryptocurrencies with strong communities and loyal followers because that shows people have a genuine interest and belief in the cryptocurrency. I'd recommend running through some subreddits, YouTube channels, and take a look at the feedback from some of their communities and see what they're saying about your potential investment. So if you're new to cryptocurrency, don't sweat the technical stuff. Just stick to fundamental analysis, which means the foundations of an investment. So their team, their ambitions, their strengths, etc. And understanding how to do fundamental analysis will help you make better investment decisions. And in a market where most people are chasing after low quality altcoins, fundamental analysis allows you to separate the wheat from the chaff. So there's a few ways to do that. So one of the top things you can research is the cryptocurrency's team. In fact, researching and vetting the team behind a cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors you can look into. So there's a few questions to ask yourself about a cryptocurrency's team. So who is behind the crypto? Do you trust in their expertise? Are they ambitious? Do they have a proven track record of success? And now a big part of a cryptocurrency's success is the underlying technology. You have to understand how it's going to perform against their competitors and what makes the technology stand out from the crowd. Look out for the big innovators, the cryptocurrencies that will completely disrupt their industry. Now, every time a new cryptocurrency is released, they usually bring out a white paper too. And this will outline the purpose of the coin, its technology, how it works, and its overall vision as a business. You might have to wade for a little technical jargon in the white paper, but don't let that put you off. It's 100% worth reading because it's such a rich source of insight. Plus, the more white papers you read, the better you'll become at identifying the long-term winners. And the ambition and vision of the cryptocurrency is really important too. You want to make sure this coin will be around for at least the next 5 to 10 years, and if they're not thinking long-term, then you should be seriously worried. Without a clear vision and a mission, the coin is going to struggle to become a real competitor or disruptor in this industry. Also, whether it's their white paper, social media, or the website, try to identify their intent for the future of the coin, and also look at the community to see what type of a culture is being created. Now, the success of a coin is navigated by their leadership team. They're the ones who make all the big decisions. And the leaders are the ones who carry out that vision, so research their team and look at what they've achieved so far. You basically want to be assured that if they're the champions of the vision, then they can lead their cryptocurrency to success. So a few things to ask yourself include, have they personally worked on other cryptocurrency related projects? Are they personally invested in the project? And do they have a proven track record of success? Is the cryptocurrency respected online, and do they have a strong reputation? Because at the end of the day, if they have a bad reputation, then you probably shouldn't invest your money into them. You really need to have strong credibility and trust to be successful in this field. So run some Google searches, look through crypto communities, and see what people are saying about the coin. The other thing here is that you want to invest in a coin that people feel positive about. You have to avoid the scams. So if you find a coin that looks like an MLM scheme or a pyramid scheme, just get the hell out of there. It's really not worth it. I've been preaching throughout this whole course that you should only ever invest in the cryptocurrency you believe in. Otherwise, they're not a worthy long-term investment. So now I want to show you an example of a cryptocurrency called Amise Go that I truly believe in for the long run and the reasons why.